I've been young for a while, yeah. But you see, man, I was only hibernating. Now I'm back with the new Phily D. Now I'm back at the age of 17. Yeah, man, this is the Phily D version 2. Man, I'm too crazy for this one now. Listen to this. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean. I'm back onto this thing and I'm gonna work harder. I'll bring you this sound, making the others seem retarded. They try so hard, but once I listen I'm laughing. Why try to do what I do when you find it a hard thing? Stupid, you ought to be shot by your cupid. You need to love what you do. This thing has got me drooling. Why? Because I'm hungry, yes I'm hungry, but for money. I've been doing this for time now. I need to be comfy, comfy with some money right by my side. Money to drink to on a weekend night. Money getting the cute girls trying to be nice. But that money, it ain't no surprise. Like it's easy peasy if you got those peas. I'm only in it for freebie. If you wanna come meet me, then ring me. We can meet up and you can see me. I see you, you see me. It's okay for you to please me. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean. You might see me on Friendster, Facebook or MySpace. I got chicks adding me and want to be my text mate. 5 out of 10 girls, I'm gonna be texting you. Be lucky if I add you to my Yahoo Messenger. Or you might just see me with some friends at SM, just walking around or at one spot spending. I'm fully focused now, man, watch out. I'm coming, I'm in this for something. I'm not in this for nothing. I'm fully determined, that's 100%. I am who I am until the life that happens, but it won't end yet. Cause from 1991 I'm gonna live forever just like a diamond does. See, if death was an option, for sure I would pass. For sure I would like my life to surely last. Like a space shuttle, man, I'm gonna reach for the stars. And if I get mega rich, I'll build a mansion on Mars. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that Phily D is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean back. Everybody get back onto their seats for me. Get to know that this kid is back. So everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean, everybody lean back. Man, just a few names I got mentioned. Eno Quadico, AC Tagas, Latina Quinn, Michael Solido, Novelisters, PDK, AC Underground. You know how I get down. Kick on my production, man. It's too sick, be it is.